Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vidmas 2022. This is the 12 days of Vidmas, so you guys will be getting 12 videos over the next 12 days leading up to Christmas. I didn't do Vlogmas this year, but I wanted to do something special, something different for Christmas. And I felt like this was probably the most manageable thing for me to do this year. I say that now, watch me. The reason why my background is kind of a hot mess is because I'm moving furniture around. I'm having a party on Friday night. There's crap everywhere at the moment. So just ignore that, okay? It gets better from here, I promise. But today's video is just gonna be a very chilled one. It's gonna be decorating my home for Christmas. It will be decorating one of my Christmas trees, which you can see behind me, little sneak peek. I actually have two Christmas trees. The other Christmas tree decorating I'll put potentially in the weekly vlog because I didn't do this on the same day. So this is just decorating my big tree. But yeah, today's video is more just to welcome you guys to Vidmas, show you a little bit of a tree decorating montage, get you in the festive spirit. The next 12 videos aren't all gonna be Christmassy. It's gonna be loads of makeup tutorials. There's some fashion hauls. There are a couple of extra kind of vlog style videos coming. There's also gonna be the usual weekly vlog. I wanted to keep that consistent, but I have got a couple of like more tailored vlogs, like a little reset day vlog, which I know you guys really enjoy when I do those. There's gonna be a birthday party vlog. There's loads of fun content coming, and there's also a few giveaways as well in this next 12 days. Make sure you tune in every day, give it a watch and enter the giveaways as well. It's just my way of saying thank you guys for supporting me this year and being the most amazing little community online. I love you very much. Without further ado, let's get into decorating my Christmas tree with a little guest appearance. I hope you guys are excited and yeah, enjoy.
Turn it up to 90%.
You have such a day of shit job. I'm so sorry.
Downstairs to see what might be under the Christmas tree. Oh, can I please have?
No, we don't do the ball throwing competition.
Christmas joy.
Yes.
Ties and bows, whatever's in them, no one knows. Oh, can I please have?
Oh my god, oh my god. I need some string. Oh my god.
Joy I once had as a boy. Both that Christmas
evening, everybody. So, as you will have seen, it is probably the girliest Christmas tree I've ever seen. I don't know what came over me. I just really wanted to go like full girly, pink, bows, ribbons, glitter. It's golden pink because I wanted it to, obviously all of the decoration stuff is still out, but I wanted it to match the pink sofa. And also my little pink gnome. Hang on, where is he? My little pink gnome, he matches perfectly. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put him yet, but you best believe he'll have a lovely home. As you can see, I've taken up the rug. It's there. I've folded down the table and it's been pushed to the side because that's where the decks are gonna be at my party. So we are getting into party mode. We thought we'd kill two birds with one stone and start tidying up for the party and setting up for the party whilst also decorating the Christmas tree. And oh God, I look knackered. Because I am knackered, honestly. Part 1, day 1 of Christmas decorations, and I will continue to vlog whenever I do more. I'm just so excited for the house to look so beautiful and festive. I've got a haul to film, so there's a rail of clothes, but once the haul is done, I'm going to take that out of here and that can go back into my bedroom where it lives, and I will see you guys for the next thing that we choose to decorate. Look! Oh. It just makes me so happy.
Christmas is coming.
Hello, it's Emma from the beginning of the video. I've decided I'm going to do the second tree now, which means Vidmas day 1 will go up a little bit late, but starters you probably will continue. I just felt like it wasn't quite complete without the second tree. So I'm gonna crack on some Christmas music. It probably isn't gonna be as fun doing this by myself. Let's get tree number 2 up, and I hope you guys enjoy. Much more like it. I also just realized my camera was on a dodgy setting. The camera's on a dodgy setting, so everything was really dark. I'm really sorry. Great, I call myself a professional. Also, if anyone is considering buying this, it's from Anthropology. It's adorable. It's a Ferris wheel tree topper. It doesn't fit on any trees, okay? Every year, I bought it 3 years ago, every year I try and get it on a tree, and it doesn't fit, so I wouldn't recommend. So I need to find myself a tree topper for this tree, but that is Vidmas day 1. Thank you for joining. This is probably the most low-key of all of the videos. We get a little bit more exciting as of now. So let me know down below if you're excited for Vidmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you continue to watch for the rest of these 12 days. Yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.